looking for a 4-bedroom bungalow with 2.5 baths in a neighborhood that's got schools, rec centers, tons of green spaces on the outskirts of town for a very affordable price, we're here at 134 Aspen Circle in Strathmore, Alberta. Come on inside, let's check out the inside of this place. Who wouldn't want to live in this backyard? It's a bird's paradise. Guys, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one, okay? Thanks for watching.